to sketch the graph of y equals to e to the power of x minus 2 as well as for y equals to negative 2x squared plus 3. Now, of course, you can use the graphic calculator to help you to obtain the rough shape of the graph, but I mean, at the end of the day, the GC may not give you the asymptotes as well as the exact coordinates of the intercept. So you always remember that when you are asked to sketch, okay, it's very important that you must be able to indicate the asymptotes as well as the coordinates of the intercepts where possible, right? So hence or otherwise, you need to find the roots of this equation. So e to the x minus 2, as you know, e power x, right, has an asymptote of y equals to 0. So if I'm minus 2, right, then asymptotes basically are minus 2. Okay. Negative 2x squared plus 3 is over here as shown. Turning point is at probably 0. And 3. This is probably 0, 3. Okay. And y equals 0, this probably equals to 0 and negative 2. So you put the intercepts wherever possible. And hence, after that, you need to find the roots of the equation e power x minus 2 plus 2x squared minus 3. So if you observe this, right, this equation, right, is nothing but the same as if I were to shift 2x squared minus 3 to the right hand side. I have e x minus 2 equals to negative 2x squared plus 3. Alright, so what does it mean? It means that if I look at the solution to these two equations, basically the intersection points will give me the solution to this equation, which also gives me the solution to this equation, right? So the intersection of these two graphs, y1 and y2, gives me the roots of the equation, which means that if I go to these two graphs, I just need to calculate the intersection, right? Intersection. Okay, if I calculate these two intersections, then my job is done. So with that, I go to my question and I go calculate. So I go, you know how to do, so you second, calculate, and you use intercept. Okay, so don't go and use a maximum minimum. I'm sure you know. Okay, I have said this before in class. Value is for calculating the y-intercept. Basically, just put x equals to 0. 0 is for calculating the x-intercepts. Okay, where y is equals to 0. Minimum is for minimum, maximum for maximum. And intercept is basically for you want to find the point of intersection between two graphs. Okay, so just go near to each of them, right? Guess one, okay, left, but I mean y1, y2, guess, you get an intersection here, right, which gives you negative 1.55, and the other intersection here, probably here, that will be 1.041084. That gives you a second solution. So that itself is a solution to this equation. Remember that the point of intersection here, the point of intersection here, these two answers gives you also the equation to this. Okay, can